Hey guys, today it's big surprise. I decided to show you how to make butter. It's very simple. Look, I already did it. Only you have to buy cream and beat it. Maybe 5 minutes, depend of like how is your mixer. It's very easy and I think it's very healthy because you can buy butter in supermarket, but you don't know what is exactly. But look, see? Okay, I didn't try it yet. I would like to try with you. Okay, I have some scone and I will put a little bit butter. Wow, it's much easy to use it. I just did like 1 hour ago. Okay, look, and let's try. Mm. It's very nice. I think it's different taste because it's not salty. In supermarket, I think so they put a little bit salt. Of course, you can buy unsalted butter, but tastes look very different than butter you buying. Completely different, and taste is different. Okay, I hope you will try it and enjoy it. Thank you.